Many English learners say, "When I watch English movies, I don't understand anything." This is normal. Movies are fast, full of slang, and sometimes with difficult accents. But don't worry. With the right steps, you can improve and understand movies without subtitles. 1. Start with simple movies. Do not start with difficult movies. Begin with cartoons or children's movies. They use easy words and clear pronunciation. Example: Disney or Pixar movies. 2. Choose the right genre. Action or crime movies are too hard in the beginning. Family movies, romantic comedies, or simple dramas are better. They have daily conversations and useful expressions. 3. Watch the same movie many times. Watching once is not enough. First time, just watch and enjoy. Don't stress. Second time, listen carefully. Focus on the sounds. Third time, add English subtitles. Learn new words. Fourth time, watch again without subtitles. Every time you will understand more. 4. Listen, don't translate. Do not translate in your head. If you translate, your brain becomes slow. Just listen and catch the general meaning. This is how children learn language too. 5. Repeat short scenes. Choose one short scene, maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Watch it many times. Stop and repeat difficult sentences. Try to copy the way actors speak. This improves both listening and speaking. 6. Learn common phrases from movies. Movies repeat many useful phrases. Example: What do you mean? Are you kidding me? I don't get it. Let's go. 7. Use subtitles wisely. Subtitles are helpful if you use them correctly. First, try without subtitles. If it's too hard, turn on English subtitles, not your native language. Subtitles in English help you connect sounds with words. Slowly reduce subtitles until you don't need them. 8. Focus on one accent. First, movies have many accents: American, British, Australian. Choose one accent at first. Example: American English, Hollywood movies. When you are stronger, explore other accents. 9. Improve your listening outside movies. Listening only to movies may be too hard. Also listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, or English songs. This makes your ears comfortable with the sounds. 10. Be patient and consistent. Understanding movies takes time. At first, maybe you only understand 10%. After practice, you will understand 50%, then 80%, then almost everything. Don't give up. Progress is slow but sure. Summary: to understand movies without subtitles, start simple. Watch many times. Listen, don't translate. Repeat scenes. Learn common phrases. Use subtitles smartly. Be patient. If you do this every day, step by step, you will enjoy English movies without subtitles.